I am Raymond and I'll be your teppanyaki chef for tonight. I heart you.
Maito Teppanyaki is a new Japanese restaurant here in Candon City. Located at Bagani Campo in front of LTO Candon and gasoline station. Itadakimasu!
For our starch, we have the tomato fried rice. Meron po siya ground pork and ground shrimp. We also have mixed veggies, carrots, bell peppers, and onions. Japanese short grain rice and eggs. Panami shrimp. Norwegian salmon. The spring vegetables, we have king oyster mushrooms, citro, onions, and onion leeks. And we have boneless chicken thighs. This one is the Japanese A3 Wagyu steaks. Fried vegetables, meron po siyang bell peppers, onions, carrots, bean sprout, and...
Oh, ito na nga, nag-start na yung cooking show at hindi ko nga aakalain. Mawitness ko to in person. Dati-dati, pinapanood ko lang to sa Facebook. Nakikita ko lang sa TV. Oh, ayan o.
Meron po siyang tofu, wakame or dried seaweed, and spring onion.
Para na talaga akong kumain sa restaurant sa Japan. Ayan, feel the vibes guys. Try nyo rin dito. Try nyo with family and friends para mas enjoy, mas masaya pa. Kala ko hindi ko mararanasan yung ganito. Ayan, natikman ko na, na-try ko na. Sa kayo na lang ang kulang. Try nyo na rin guys. Dito lang yan yung Candon City.
Meron po tayong extra shrimp dito.
Sa tanang buhay ko, ngayon lang ako nakatingin ng Wagyu. Dito pa talaga. Ayan, sarap-sarap yan. Sabi nga ni Chef, literally, melts in your mouth. Grabe.
Literal po na melts in your mouth. Ganun po siya kalambot. So, sinasabi lang, it melts in your mouth.
Another experience na naman na makatikim ng masarap na food. At isa talaga to sa bagong-bagong bukas na Japanese restaurant ang Maito Teppanyaki dito sa Candon. So, thank you for always inviting us, Sir Christian, CJB Explorer, and may take out pa ako. O yan o. Busog na, may take out pa.